Hello there. So I have posted this problem few days back. Now today I'm going to show you the solution. I got few results. None of them were right, unfortunately. So let's see that how we can actually solve it and what is the actual solution of it. So if we go through the question once again, the question says that in the picture given below, AEFG and EBHF are two identical squares. Like I can already see there are two squares. One is AEFG, another one if I say like EBHF, right? So I hope both the squares are visible, right? So these are two squares, and the right side, that's like the green one, this is one rectangle. All right, so now this is the picture. So the two data that they have given, that is the area of one of the square, that is the red square, is 1/6 the area of the green rectangle. Okay, so now what we are going to do, first let us say that like the area, sorry, the let us say first, like for example the side is x. Okay, let the side be x. So if this side be x, so this side also will be x. Anyway, the main thing is, if I going to use this given data here, so area of AEFG should be x squared then, right? This should be the area. So I'm replacing the area by x squared is equals to 1/6 of means into area of GHCD, isn't it? Okay, now we are like, if I just cross multiply the 6 here, so it will be 6x squared is equals to area of GHCD. All right, this is a very vital result what we just got. All right, now see, we all know that the area of a rectangle, this is a rectangle, right? So area of a rectangle can be written as length into breadth, right? That is equals to 6x squared. Now what is the breadth here? If you look at the diagram, like let me take the white color here. Yeah, if you take the look at the diagram, the breadth is x here and the x there, so it's basically 2x, right? So the breadth of this green rectangle is 2x. So if I like put the formula back, like L into 2x is equals to 6x squared, then what I can see that L is equal to 6x squared by 2x, which after cancellation will give me 3x. So it's coming as 3x. So therefore, just I got that length is equal to 3x. Do you all agree with this data what I got here? So what I got, the length is 3x. That means this GD is actually 3x. These are very vital data that I got. Now the length is 3x and the breadth we just now saw, it is 2x. Now I'm going to use the second data that was given, that is the perimeter of GHCD is 50 centimeter. So if I'm going to use that data here, let me just draw an arrow. Yeah, so the perimeter of GHCD I'm replacing by the formula of the perimeter of GHCD. As you can see, this is a rectangle, so the perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B, right? Whether this formula we all know, yeah, we all know this, that P is equal to into L plus B, length plus breadth, right? So let us apply the formula, that is P I'm replacing with like 2 into L that we got here, like 3x. So L 3x plus 2x is the breadth is equal to 50. Great. Now if I just solve it, this 2 and this 50 cancelled out, we got 25, and here this side I got 5x equals to 25, and then 5 and 25 cancel, we got 5, so x equals to 5. I guess it's very clear to each and everyone. X is 5. We got the value of x. Now see, the question was to find the, there was a question, I'll drop this few things. The question was to find the area and the perimeter of ABCD. So ABCD is the whole figure. Now if you look at ABCD, this is also a rectangle, whereas the breadth is 2x basically. And the length, if I rub this previous one, yeah, the length will be actually, now this was 3x, right? And as this is a square, so this will be x. So all the sides are x. So basically AD will become here 4x. I explain once again. This was 3x and this was x. Let me rub this few things. Yeah, this was x, this was 3. So x plus 3x will give us this AD whole as 4x. I think it's now clear, right? So once I got to see that, so we can now find the things very clearly, right? So ABCD is a rectangle. So if you want the area, the formula is L into B. If you want the perimeter, the formula is 2 into L plus B. Put all the values now. L we got 4x, B we got 2x, so it's 4x into 2x, so it's 8x squared. X we just now got to see that it's 5, so 8 into 5 square, so it's like 8 into 25, which is equal to 200 centimeter square, right? And this one, if you do 2 into L plus B, L was 4x, right? So 4x plus B is 2x, so you got to see that it's 6x, it's 12x, x was 5, so 12 into 5, so it's 60 centimeter. So the whole sum you can see now. Yeah, few things have dropped out. So anyway, so the final answer is this two. One is 60 centimeter, that is your perimeter. So I'll just write down it finally once again. So perimeter we got 60 centimeter, area we got 200 centimeters square. Okay, so these are the two final results that I got. Okay, so that's it. That was the answer, and that's the question. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you want to see this kind of few more interesting sums, just follow my channel and the all other social handles. Thanks for watching.